Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about, how you can implement the update method in a SQL. As we know, update is used to modify the existing data. Let's say, for example, you have a data with you and you want to update a specific values. Let's say you want to change experience or you want to change employee name. So how do you change it? In that case, we just use a concept called as an update. And syntax is very simple. So update table, and you just need to set the column value and you have to write a where condition. So where condition is very much important, otherwise it will update all the rows. Let's say if I say update student set age equals 22, it is going to update all ages with 22. If you want to change at a specific record, make sure you mention the condition. Okay, so this is how an update is going to work. You will understand it better with an example. Let me just launch a PostgreSQL and let me explain like how update is going to work. So very simple, you can see I'm continuing with a series wherein we have an employee data with us. So let's see, I just want you people to update. So already we have your null values, right? I want you to update Radha's experience as 3 years. So how do you update it? Very simple. So just start with an update. So update table name is going to be an employee data, and then you just need to set experience is equal to 3. If I run this, it's going to update all the experiences with a 3, but you should specifically say that where you can use employee name, but what if there are multiple Ritas? It's always good to refer an employee ID which is unique. So I'm just saying at employee ID 107, try to update the experience as 3. Well, it's working. So you want to see the changes? Just see select asterisk from employee data, and in our Ridas column, in our Ridas row, you will see experience as a 3 years. Look, hope it's clear. Same way, whatever case you need to update. Okay, let's say you want to update age of Rida as the 28 and experience of John as 2 years. Okay, two conditions here, very simple. Just use an update table name which is employee data set. What we are trying to set? We are trying to set age is equal to 28, comma, we are trying to set one more is what? Along with an age, we are trying to set an experience. So experience equals what? 2 years, where employee ID is equal to 107 and so one more employee ID is equal to for John, right? So it's 101. So let's see what happens. Will it work? Yes, it is working. Let me run and let's check out. So it clearly shows that not updated. Even experience is not getting updated, because both the conditions are not available. So what you have to do in this case is like you have to do it individually. So set age as 28 in case of Rhythm. So it will update it. Similarly, you can just update an experience of a John, which is 101, wherein you just need to change experience equals to. So do it individually. Okay. So this is how you can update it. Experience as 2 and also age as 28. I hope it's clear. Clear? So what if in case I want to update a company name of Joy and Rida as Amazon. So how do you update it? Again, update table name, employee data, set. We just need to set the company as what? So company is equal to, it should be an Amazon. Where two IDs are there. So where employee ID in So you can just see employee ID of John and Rita as 104, 107. We're just using OR operator and we are trying to update it. If you want to check out, just run select asterisk from employee data. So both the companies got updated with Amazon. I hope it's clear. This is all about, update in a SQL. Thank you. Happy learning.